So good morning everyone. So in last class we have completed our exercise 2.4. Today we are starting our exercise 2.5. So in that first bit is solve the following equations. So they have given some equations. We have to solve all the equations now. Okay, so first one, so n by 5 minus 5 by 7 is equals to 2 by 3. So we have to find the n value here. So first we will write the given. Now which term we can transpose here for finding the n value? N is connected with 5 by 7 as well as with 5. So first I am transposing this 5 by 7 to other side. So if you transpose this 5 by 7 to other side, that will be plus 5 by 7. Now first we have to take the LCM here. So what is 3 and 7 LCM? 3 and 7 LCM will be 21. Okay, so for 3, how much you will multiply to get 21? 3 how many times will be equals to 21? That is 7 times. So same 7 you multiply in numerator, as well as for 5, for 7 how much you have to multiply to get 21? That is 3 times. So into 3 into 3. So 7 2s is 14 plus 5 3s is 15. So n by 5 is equals to 14 plus 15 will be equals to 29 by 21. Okay, so if transpose is 5 to other sides, for 5 is in the form of division, if you transpose, that will be converted to multiplication. So it will be n is equals to 29 into 5 by 21. So n is equals to how much? 29 5s are 5 9s is 45, 5 2s is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. So it will be 145 by 21. So n value is what here? 145 by 21. So this is our first one. So second question is also in the same way. X by 3 minus x by 4 is equals to 14. So we have to find the x value. So first we will take the LCM of 3 and 4. What is the 3 and 4 LCM? LCM of 3 and 4 will be 12. So LCM of 3 and 4 is how much? 12 is LCM. So for 3, how much you have to multiply to get 12? So 3 4s is 12. So same 4 we have to multiply in numerator. Here 4 3s is 12. So same 3 we have to multiply in numerator. So 4 into x is 4x minus 3 into x is 3x is equals to 14. Okay, so now equals to 4x minus 3x will be 1x by 12 is equals to 14. Now transpose this 12 to other side, that will become multiplication because it is in the form of division. So that is equals to x is equals to 14 into 12. So 14 into 12 will be equals to 168. So what is the x value here? X value is 168. So this is our second one. Next, third one. Z by 2 plus Z by 3 plus minus Z by 6 is equals to 8. So here we have to find a Z value. So first given So first we have to take the LCM of 6, 3 and 2. So 2, 3, 6 LCM we have to take. So what is a common multiple in 2, 3 and 6? That is 12. So here LCM value will be 12. So into 6 times, 2 6 are 12. Same 6 I have multiplied in numerator. 4 times, 2 times, 2 times. So z into 6 will be 6z plus 4 into z will be 4z minus 2 into z will be 2z is equals to 8. So 6 plus 4 will be 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. So that will be 8z by 12 is equals to 8. Okay. So if you transpose this 12 to other side, that will become multiplication. So I am writing here 8z is equals to 8 into 12. So it will be how much? Now I am transposing this 8 to other side. So that will be converted to division. So z is equals to 8 into 12 by 8. 8 ones are. So z value is how much now? Z value is 12. So this is our third answer. So next fourth one, 2p by 3 minus p by 5 is equals to 11 2 by 3. Okay. So what is given question? This mixed fraction we have to convert into improper fraction. So given 2p by 3 minus p by 5 is equals to 11 2 by 3. So we have to convert this 11 2 by 3 to the form of improper fraction. So 2p by 3 minus p by 5 is equals to 3 11s is 33. 33 plus 2 will be 35 by 3. Now we have to find the p value. So we have to take the LCM of 3 and 5. So what is the LCM of 3 and 5? 3 and 5 LCM is 15. So here into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. So 5 2s is 10. So 10p minus 3 into p is 3p is equals to 35 by 3. Now you can do cross multiplication here, or first you solve this. 10 minus 3 is how much? 7. So 7p by 15 is equals to 35 by 3. Do cross multiplication. So it will be how much? 7p into 3 is equals to 15 into 35. Okay. So 7 3s are is 21. So 21p is equals to 15 into 35. Transpose this 21 to other side, that will be converted to division. So p is equals to 15 into 35 by 21. So how many times we can cancel? We can cancel in 3 table. So 3 7 times, 3 3 times, 7 1 times, 7 5 times. So p is equals to 3 into 5. So p is equals to how much? 15. So this is our fourth solution. Sorry, 3 5s are. It will be 25. Okay, so this is our fourth solution. Next, fifth one. Nine 1 by 4 is equals to y minus 1 1 by 3. So first we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 4 9s are is 36. 36 plus 1 will be 37. So 37 by 4 is equals to y minus 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. That is 4 by 3. Okay. So what I am doing now, I am transposing this minus 4 by 3 to this side. That will become plus. So 37 by 4 plus 4 by 3 is equals to y. Now we have to take the LCM of 4 and 3. So what is the 4 and 3 LCM? 4 and 3 LCM will be 12. 4 and 3 LCM will be 12. So into 3, into 3, into 4, into 4. So 37 3s are 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 will be 11. So it will be 111 plus 16. So y value will be how much? It is 127. 127 by 16. So y value we got it as 127 by 12. This is our fifth solution. So next sixth one. X by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equals to 1 by 5. Okay, so we have to find the x value. For finding the x value, I will transpose this minus 4 by 5 to other side. That will become plus. So here transpose this minus 4 by 5 to other side. That will become plus. So x by 2 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equals to 1 by 5 plus 4 by 5. Okay, so now you take the LCM here. LCM of 2, 5 and 10 will be 10. And here the LCM is 5. Okay, so here how many times you have to multiply to get 10? That is 5 times. Into 5, into 5, into 2, into 2, into 1, into 1. So here directly we can add the numerators, that is 1 plus 4. So 5 into x is 5x plus 2 into x is 2x plus 3x into 1 will be 3x. Okay, now you add the values. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 3 will be 10. So that will be 10x by 10 is equals to 5 by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are 10 ones are 10 ones are. So what is the x value here? X is nothing but 1. Okay, so this is our sixth solution. Next is seventh one. Seventh one is x by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. So transpose all the variables to one side and constant values to other side here. So given x by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. So transpose is minus 1 by 4 to that side and transpose is x by 3 to this side. So that plus will become minus and minus will become plus. So x by 2, if I transpose this, that will be minus x by 3 is equals to 1 by 2. If I transpose that, that will be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Now we have to take the LCM. So 2 and 3 LCM will be 6 and 2 and 4 LCM will be 4 here. So how many times we have to multiply to get 6 here? So it will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. So 3 into x is 3x minus 2 into x is 2x. And in this case, into 2 into 2 into 1 into 1. So that will be 2 plus 1 into 1 will be 1. So 3x minus 2x will be x, that is 1x by 6 is equals to 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 by 4. Now you can cross multiply here. So that will be 4 into x is equals to 6 3s is 8 into 6 into 3. So 4x is equals to 18. So x is equals to 18 by 4. I am transposing 4 to other side. That will become division. So it will be 2 times, 2 9 times. So x value is how much? 9 by 2. So this is our 7th solution. Next, 8th one. So 8th question is 2x minus 3 by 3x plus 2 is equals to minus 2 by 3. So here we have to find the x value. So what is 8th one? 2x minus 3 by 3x plus 2 is equals to minus 2 by 3. So this is our question. So we have to find the x value here. So how to transpose? We can directly do cross multiplication in this case. So solution given 2x minus 3 by 3x plus 2 is equals to minus 2 by 3. So cross multiply the terms. So it will be 3 into 2x minus 3 is equals to minus 2 into 3x plus 2. Okay, so you multiply each and every term with 3, and here each and every term we have to multiply with minus 2. So 3 into 2 is the 6. 6x minus 3 3s are 9 is equals to minus 2 into 3. So minus 2 3s are 6, that is 6x, plus into minus is minus 2 2s is 4. Now bring all the constant values to one side and all the variables to other side. So I am sending this to this side, and minus 9 I am taking over there. Okay, so 6x plus 6x it will be equals to minus 4. If you transpose that, that will be plus 9. Okay, so 6 plus 6 is how much? 6 plus 6 is 12. 12x is equals to minus 4 plus 9. Minus into plus will be minus. 9 minus 4 is 5, and the bigger number sign is plus. So transpose 12 to other side now. So x is equals to 5 by 12. So x value we got as 5 by 12. So this is our 8th solution. Next, 9th one. 9th one also we have to do in the same order. (8p minus 5 by 7p plus 1 is equals to minus 2 by 5. So this is also we have to do the cross multiplication. So given 8p minus 5 by 7p plus 1 is equals to minus 2 by 5. Do cross multiplication here. If you do cross multiplication, it will be minus 2 into 5 into 8p minus 5 is equals to minus 2 into 7p plus 1. Now each and every term we have to multiply with each other. 5 8 is 40, that is 40p minus 5 5 is 25 is equals to minus 2 into 7, 7 2 is 14, minus 14p, minus into plus is minus 2 1 is 2. Now bring all the constants to one side and all the variables to other side. So I am bringing this to this side, and I am sending this minus 25 over there. Okay, so it is 40p plus 14p is equals to minus 2 plus 25. So 40 plus 14, 40 plus 14 will be 54 is equals to minus 2 plus 25. Minus into plus will be minus. 25 minus 2 will be 23. Okay, so P will be equals to 23 by 54. So this is our answer. So can we solve this? Sorry, it is 4. Eight, 4 eggs. It will be 32. Plus 14. 46. So you can cancel here 23 ones, 23 twos. So it will be 1 by 2. So once again see this, 8 4 8 is 32, 32p minus 4 5 is 20 is equals to minus 2 into 7 minus 14p, minus into plus is minus 2 1 is 2. Now transpose the terms, it will be 32p minus 14p, sorry, plus 14p will be equals to minus 2 plus 20. So now transpose the terms. So here it will be transpose 32 plus 14 will be equals to 46p is equals to minus 2 minus 2 plus 20, that will be equals to plus 18. Now P is equals to 18 by 26. So in which table we can cancel? We can cancel in 2 table. 2 9s are 2 13s are. So answer will be 9 by 13. Okay, so 9 by 13 is our answer. So next is tenth one. Tenth one is 7 by plus 2 by 5 is equals to 6y minus 5 by 11. So we have to find the 11 y value here. So given 7y plus 2 by 5 is equals to 6y minus 5 by 11. Do cross multiplication. So it will be 11 into 7y plus 2 is equals to 5 into 6y minus 5. So each and every term you multiply with each other. 11 7s is 77y plus 11 2s is 22 is equals to 5 6 is 30y minus 5 5 is 25. Now each and every term you transpose to other side, so it will be changed. Here I am transposing this value this side and plus 22 I am transposing to other side. So it will be 77y minus 30y is equals to minus 25 minus 22. Okay, so 77 minus 30. So 7 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 3 will be 4, that is 40y is equals to, here it will be minus 47. Okay, sorry, 47, this is 47. So here if you transpose the terms, so y is equals to minus 47 by 47. So y value will be equals to minus 1. 47 1 times, 47 1 times. So y value is how much? Minus 1. So this is our 10th one. So next 11th one. So 11th question is x plus 5 by 6 minus x plus 1 by 9 is equals to x plus 3 by 4. Okay, first you solve these two. 6 and 9 LCM we have to take. So solution, given x plus 5 by 6 minus x plus 1 by 9 is equals to x plus 3 by 4. Here take the LCM of 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 LCM will be equals to 18. So common multiple is 18 here. So 18, so into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. Okay, so 3 into x plus 5 minus 2 into x plus 1 is equals to x plus 3 by 4. Now each and every term we have to multiply with each other. So 3 into x is 3x plus 3 5 is 15 minus 2 into x is 2x minus into plus is minus 2 1 is 2 by 18 is equals to x plus 3 by 4. Now solve these values. So 3x minus 2x will be x. 15 minus 2 will be 13. So plus 13 by 18 is equals to x plus 3 by 4. So do cross multiplication here. So it will be 4 into x plus 13 is equals to 18 into x plus 3. Again multiply each and every term with each other. So 4 into x is 4x plus 4 13s are 4 3s is 12. That will be 52 is equals to 18 into x is 18x plus 18 3s are 8 3s are 24. That will be equals to 54. Now transpose x terms to one side and constant values to other side. So it will become 4x minus 18x is equals to 54 minus 52. So 4 minus 18 will be minus 14. Minus 14x is equals to 54 minus 52 will be equals to 2. So plus 2. So transpose minus 14 to other side. So x will be equals to 2 by minus 14. 2 1s are 2 7s are. So x value is how much? 1 minus 1 by 7. So this is our 11th question. Next last one. Last question in this bit, that is 3t plus 1 6 minus 2t minus 3 by 7 is equals to t plus 8 by 8 plus, sorry, this is 3 plus 3t minus 1 by 14. Okay, so now we have to take the LCM first. What is the LCM of 6 and 7? 6 and 7 LCM will be 42. So here into 7 into 7 into 6 into 6. Okay, so now here we have to take the LCM. So 8 and 14 LCM will be again 42. 2 4s are, 2 7s are, 4 as it is. Now 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 7 4s are 28, 28 2s are will be 56. You got as 56 here. 6 and 7, 6 6 are 6 7 are 42. Here you got as 42. Sorry, this is 16. 16 means 16 and 7 LCM. 16 7 times will be equals to so instead of taking the LCM directly, I am taking directly I am multiplying the values. 8 into 14 will be 112. 16 into 7 is also 112. Okay, so here we have to multiply into 7 into 7 into 16 into 16. So that will be 7 into 3t plus 7 minus 16 into 2t minus 3 is equals to, now here into 14 into 14 into 8 into 8. So that will be 14 into t plus 3 plus 8 into 3t minus 1. So here 112 will be get cancelled. So each and every term we have to multiply now. 7 3s is 21t plus 7 7s is 49 minus 16 2s is 32t minus into minus is plus 16 3s will be 48 is equals to, now multiply these terms. 14 into t will be 14t plus 14 3s will be equals to 42 plus 8 3s is 24t minus 8 1s is 8. Now like terms you add first. Here 21 minus 32 will be equals to 32 minus 21 will be 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. So it will be 11t minus 11t, and here 49 plus 48. So 9 plus 8 will be equals to 17. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So it will be plus 97 is equals to, now multiply this. 14t plus 24t will be equals to 38t. And here 42 minus 8. 42 minus 8 will be 40 minus 8 will be 32. 32 means it will be 34. So plus 34. So from here you can solve the problem. So transpose all the terms to variable terms to one side and constant terms to other side. You can find the t value by using this. So this from here you can do it as homework. So next problems, other problems from second bit, we will do it in next class. Thank you.